In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the footer on the password protection page using the Shopify Dawn theme. Whether you're setting up a temporary storefront or simply want to make your password protection page cleaner and more focused, hiding the footer can be a simple but effective way to achieve this. First, let's dive into the Shopify site editor. This is your workspace where you can customize virtually every aspect of your store. At the top of this page, you'll see the current page title displayed prominently. By clicking on this title, you'll open up a drop-down menu showing you all available pages for editing. Continue by clicking on the password page. This page is where visitors encounter your password wall, a critical component if your online store is temporarily closed or still under construction. Once you're on the password page, focus your attention on the footer section. Normally, footers on a website contain various links and information that might not be immediately relevant on a password page. Right-click on the footer to reveal a list of options and select Edit Code. This action will open up the code editor, which might seem a bit daunting if you're not familiar with coding. But don't worry, this step is simpler than you might expect. In the code editor, you should see the footer code highlighted or located within the context of the page's layout. This code represents the structure and content of the footer that's currently being displayed on the page. Your task is to delete this snippet of code. Carefully make sure that you're only removing the footer-related code to avoid disrupting other elements on your page. If you're unsure, consider saving a backup of your theme code before proceeding. After you've removed the footer code, it's time to save your changes. Saving ensures that your modifications take effect and are reflected across your live site. Simply click the Save button, typically found at the top right of the editor. After saving, navigate back to your password page to confirm that the footer is no longer visible. You should now see a clean, focused password protection page, free of any distractions from the footer area. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a bit of code removal, your Shopify Dawn theme password protection page now looks cleaner and retains its focus without the extra footnote. If you want to reinstate the footer at any point, you can always go back into the code editor and either undo your changes or paste back in the code you removed. This little trick can make a big difference, especially in keeping your password page sleek and streamlined. Happy editing, and thanks for watching.